So again, no, here, continuations can jocks, no? Again, I've been in, sorry for being honest, no? And then the pure care, by which, no, this is jocks again, in the hospital, just 1 hour, then mine is about 100, more countries views, subscribers increasing, then the countries increasing, by which I don't want their trust will be diminished, yeah? In which here, no, jocks from America, then here's operation, yeah, again, here, again, I show you, yeah, there, no, here, the session, there, and there, again, I'm sorry for being honest, yeah, and then this one, then start to atrophy, no, by which, like 4 months, overdue, by which treated in the hospital 3 times a week by the physiotherapist, by which what happened, yeah, again, mine is pure care, which now understands just, then starting to recover the redness in there, because of the hot packs and tans, yeah, there, then we do the massage with the blood pump. Then the gasoline of Jackson in here. Again, this is the gasoline. Without this one, you're wasting your money. Yeah. Again, without this one, you're wasting your money. I term it's gasoline, by which this is your car. No, car needs a gasoline in which your muscles you use that very day. All the elderly people do like this. Yeah. Just follow the exercises of Jack. Then by which no, twice a week, and now you have the gun in the brain, muscle gasoline in the muscles and joints. Again, thank you and good evening.